Today we are talking about words and word formation, so talking about processes of word formation, processes with the result of new words. Word formation processes begin with the root words, which are considered basic part of the word, and then we have words that are formed using prefixes and suffixes combined with the root word. The second process is changing the part of speech in order to get new form of a word, and synonyms and antonyms. To begin with, we have formation of new words using the root word, which expresses the meaning, and prefixes that come before the root, and suffixes which come after the root word. Talking about root words with prefixes and suffixes, we have the explanation of how we form the word unemployment. Unemployment consists of a prefix, un, a root word, employ, and the suffix, ment. So the basic word is the word employ, which is the root. Then we have the prefix un and the suffix ment. And we have formed a new word, unemployment. Similarly, we go with employ as a root to form new words, employed, employee, employer. Next process we mentioned earlier is changing the part of speech, and here we have mixed up order of parts of speech, nouns, pronouns, prepositions, interjections, verbs, adjectives, adverbs, conjunctions, and so on. To explain in more detail, we continue with the next page. So parts of speech mainly are 8 parts of speech in English. I've used some color to make it more explicable. So nouns, pronouns, verbs, adjectives, adverbs, conjunctions, interjections, and prepositions. Talking with the first, nouns express or name a person, a thing, a process. So the function of noun is to name something or somebody. Michael, car, jury, kindness, all of these words are nouns. Pronouns replace a noun. If we do not want to mention the noun for the second or the third time, we use pronouns such as I, me, you, she, it, her, him, they, them, and others as well. Regarding verbs, we know that generally verbs express actions or states. Play, eat, study, exercise, think, believe are verbs. Adjectives have the other function. The adjective describes a noun, so it gives a limited explanation or description of a noun mentioned in a sentence or a structure. Smart, difficult, romantic, Scottish are some of the adjectives. Adverbs function as describers of verbs or adjectives. Quickly, yesterday, easy are some of the adjectives. Conjunctions. A conjunction has the function of linking. It links words or word combinations in structures or sentences. And, but, if, they join clauses into sentences. Interjections are reaction words, so they express emotion. Wow, goodness are forms to express a surprise. Prepositions are used to link words. Usually they are positioned before a noun. To, on, in, of, at are some of the most common prepositions. In the sentence below, I have tried to make one example where we can see the order but also the function of each part of speech in a sentence. Wow! Michael bought his sister a brand new car and hid it to surprise her. Now I would like you to understand that all the abbreviations refer to parts of speech, and I would like you to analyze and come to a conclusion what function each of parts of speech have in a sentence or a statement. Synonyms and antonyms are the other process of word formation. So we have synonyms and antonyms to form new words. Synonyms are words with the same or similar meaning. We have the examples here: to buy or purchase, big or large, clever, smart, loud or noisy, etc. So all of these can replace each other. The tree is little. The tree is tiny. The tree is small. So it's up to you which context you want to use according to the example. Antonyms are words that have the opposite meaning. So if we have happy, the antonym is sad. Hot, cold. Big, small. Easy, difficult, etc. The example, the student was very quiet during the class, if is substituted by the antonym, it makes completely opposite meaning of the sentence. We say the student was very noisy during the class. So this is the function of synonyms and antonyms regarding word formation. Thank you for listening.